What's up, guys? It is your girl Glenda, and you are back watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. So listen, we are just going to create a little something. Right here, I have 2 sausage links. You know, the rings, right? So beef sausage cut up. I've got some red and green bell pepper and some onions. This is like half of an onion. And this is a bell pepper and a half, probably, well, bell pepper and a top. And then this is like half of a red bell pepper. All right, so we're gonna throw in some Goya adobo all-purpose and some perfect seasoning, also some pepper, as you see back there. And you don't see garlic powder and onion powder is what you don't see. So we're gonna throw these in here. And we just want to get some color on them. Over here in that pot, we have a very seasoned pot of pasta water. It has a little bit of sea salt in there, a little bit. But it also has some Goya adobo all-purpose, and it has some Goya perfect seasoning in there. If you have never seasoned your water the way I'm seasoning my water or your pasta, I don't know what you're doing. Plain salt, great. But if you really want to blend and get you some good flavor, then put some flavor in your water, okay? And so, Curtis, we have 1 box of angel hair pasta, right? And so that's what we're going to use, that 1 box of angel hair pasta in that water. Once it comes to a good boil, we're going to cook it until it's al dente and drain it. And then it's going to get cooked, put back into this pot with a little bit of garlic butter and probably a little taste of fresh garlic as well. I don't know. Actually, I think I'm gonna put the fresh garlic over here with the sausage. So I just threw in a heaping teaspoon of garlic to the sausage. And I don't know if I told y'all, but we're just winging it. So we're putting some ingredients together that we have and putting a meal together. Some people might call it a struggle meal. I don't know, call it whatever you want, but this is going to be some sausage, peppers, pasta, and I've got my heat on a high heat. I'm actually going to turn it down to a medium-high heat, and let that cook a little bit more, because like I said, I'd like to get a little bit of color on it. We also have a can of diced tomatoes that's going to go in there, and we kind of created something similar to this meal the other night. But we used chicken, so I also used some spaghetti sauce. So I have leftover spaghetti sauce that's going to go in the angel hair pasta when we put it all together as well. So just stay tuned. I'm going to come back. I'm going to take this out of the pan once it's get enough color on there. It gets enough color on there. I'm going to take it out of the pan, set it to the side, and then I'm going to saute up these vegetables, and then I'll add the sausage back to it. So we'll be right back.
I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like
saute down for another 5 to 7 minutes or so. Actually, about 4 to 5 minutes, because then I'm going to add this sausage back to it, and it'll cook the rest of the way before adding in. And we just want that pasta to be al dente, so that only takes like 8 minutes or so on a high heat.
But since this is thinner, it should take less time.
Well, let's look at the directions. What does it say?
It says versus get off the spoon. It's right. There we go.
For authentic al dente pasta, boil for 4 minutes. So, I think it's been in there for 4 minutes, starting occasionally. So, we're good. So, we're going to drain that pasta and we'll be right back. Alright, so I have added the sausage back into the peppers and onion mixture. Oh my god, that looks absolutely delicious. Delicioso. Look at that. I could just eat this by itself. Some sausage and peppers. Y'all. So now, I got some diced tomatoes right here, you guys. This is a 14.5 ounce can. Alright, let's add in our tomatoes. We're gonna need to find that spaghetti sauce. Please add in some Chef Chamois garlic butter to this pan. There's the Chef Chamois. Got that from Sam's, y'all. So let me show you close up. It should be a jar of tomatoes, of spaghetti sauce. It has Parmesan cheese and basil in it. And so that has gone into this pot. He's gonna have to add a little more. And then back over here, let me zoom y'all out soon. Now I'm just gonna turn this down and let it simmer a little bit, because we need to work on the pasta. That's like a low heat. Alright, we're just gonna do a small little taste test for y'all. Angel hair pasta. You can use whatever pasta you want to use.
Yeah, that one, the wooden spoon.
I want the juice. And we're just gonna put a little bit. Me and Curtis is just gonna taste this for y'all. So, plate, or there's our little taste test. And I think I'm gonna go first. Let me try. Let me go first. Little peppers, little pasta, little sausage, little onions. And hope I don't burn my mouth up. Why this ain't working for me, y'all? The bloopers of it all. You're supposed to use a spoon and put it up under there. There's my bite. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm. Oh my God. That's actually pretty good. We was winging it, y'all. Curtis, it's your turn. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's good. You trying to get a little bit of everything? Those peppers still got a nice little bite to them. Okay, great.
I like the sausage.
It tastes pretty good, huh? That sausage does.
I didn't think I would like it when I saw it.
It's just beef sausage.
Some people beef sausage just don't taste.
You
like
right. You right. You right.
It's just not holy. At least these people's beef sausage is holy.
And that beef sausage came from Aldi's, you guys. From Aldi.
Want another one?
Nope, go ahead. Add that to your plate you about to make. And we're going to see y'all next time on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Hey, listen, wait. Have you subscribed? Sus, have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, I'm gonna need you to just click the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bells so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, as Tabitha Brown would say, go on about your day and have a good one. And if you can't, don't go messing up anybody else's. Per Tabitha Brown. We'll see y'all on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Say bye, Curtis.
Bye.
He's still eating.